Alright, we got this ASUS TUF Gaming M4 Air with us today. This is a ultra-light gaming mouse. It's PTFE skates, antibacterial guard, water repellent by the way. Let's open this up. This is the inside. We'll see if I can open this. Apparently I can't. Down here, I need to relax a bit. Whew. That was tough. This is the mouse. Yeah, you know, it feels like I'm holding air right now because it only weighs 49 grams. Let that sink in. 49 grams. A gaming mouse. Incredible. It is so light. Really. Yeah, it skates alright. The cable is also really light as well. Like I said, this is water repellent. It has 6 buttons. Yeah, it feels nice. The size is also good. I'm a sucker for macros, assigning functionalities to different buttons and whatnot. But they say the ASUS software for their mices is a bit bloated, slow and whatnot. We're gonna see. But yeah, this is the mouse. Take care.